In this video, we encountered special file like page.TSX layout and TSX template. Let's explore another unique file called loading.TSX. This file helps us create loading states shown to user while a specific route's content is loading. It appears immediately upon navigation, assuring users that the application is responsive and actively loading content. Let's go to VS Code and see how it works. To create a loading state, add a loading.tsx file to the designed folder. For example, let's implement it for the post routes. In loading.tsx, we export a component called loading, which returns an h1 element with the text, for example, loading h1. This file automatically wraps the page.tsx file and its nested children within a React suspense boundary. If you're new to suspense, don't worry about it. In the browser, clicking on the post link should benefitly show the loading text replaced by the post content when it finishes rendering. In a real-world application, loading states can be designed in various ways, using indicators like skeletons, spinners, or displaying a small part of the upcoming screen, like an image or title. Place the loading.tsx file in the designed folder. Two benefits of using the loading UI feature. Firstly, it provides immediate feedback upon navigating to a new route, reassuring users and making the app feel responsive. Secondly, it allows the creation of shared layouts that remain interactive while new route segments are loading. User can continue interacting with certain parts, like a navigation menu, even if the main content is still loading. By following the loading UI convention, you ensure loading states don't observe shared layouts functionality, providing a smooth user experience. That's all about loading.tsx. For instance, loading states in the new app router. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.